Next we learn mitosis. So mitosis was discovered by Fleming in 1879. In that year 1879. So mitotic cell division, one parent cell divided into two identical daughter cells. Two parent cell divided into two identical daughter cells. Okay. So each with a nucleus having that same amount of DNA and that same number of chromosomes and genes as a parent cells. Okay ma, as a parent cells. So it is also called as equational division. So this division is called equational division because all this chromosome, nucleus and DNA are in the same as a parent cell. Then only it is called equatorial division. Mitosis consists of two events. Okay ma. The first one is karyokinesis. The second one is cytokinesis. First one is karyokinesis. The second one is cytokinesis. Okay ma. In this karyokinesis means division of nucleus. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Okay ma. First we see that interface. Okay ma. The interface is the resting phase of nucleus. Okay, nucleus in the resting phase தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம் interface. Okay, so it is the interval between two successive cell division. ரெண்டு டிவிஷனுக்கு இடையே இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த கண்டிஷனை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம், அந்த இன்டர்வெல்ல தான் தட் இன்டர்ஃபேஸ்ன்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேயாம்மா. த செல் ப்ரிப்பேர்ஸ் இட் செல்ஃப் ஃபார் த நெக்ஸ்ட் செல் டிவிஷன். ஸோ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலி த செல்ஸ் ப்ரிப்பேர் இட் செல்ஃப், அதாகவே ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிக்கும் next cell division. Okay, so this is the interface. It is the resting phase of the nucleus. Okay, that interval between the two successive cell division, and the cells prepares itself for the next cell division. Okay, so this is interface. The next one is prophase. Here one red box and blue box is given. Okay, so the red box is maternal and blue box is paternal. Maternal means that chromosome coming from that mother. That paternal, that chromosome coming from the father. Okay, father terundu mother terundu varakudiya chromosomes. Okay, then next we see the prophase. Next we see that cytokinesis and karyokinesis. What is mean by karyokinesis? The division of the nucleus into two daughter nuclei is called karyokinesis. Nucleus ஆனது divide ஆகி ரெண்டு daughter nucleus கொடுக்குது. So this process is called karyokinesis. Okay, so it consists of 4 phases. இதில் தான் எத்தனை phases இருக்குமா? 4 phases. First one is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. You know that this is prophase, anaphase, metaphase and telophase. So this is the cell division of nucleus. This is karyokinesis. This phase is 4 types. Okay, 4 phases, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. First we'll see that prophase. Prophase means pro means first. Pro means what ma? First. During this stage, chromosomes, you know that interface, you see that here what? This is chromosome. What ma? This is chromosome. Okay, yeah. It is a thread-like structure. It is not in clear in that interface. Yes, okay. Now you see that prophase. Okay, so the chromosome becomes short and thick. So you know the difference of this two. So in this prophase it is very short. The chromosome is very short and also in thick and are clearly visible, but we can't see clearly. But here in that prophase we can see clear in that chromosome. Okay, So the chromosome is inside the nucleus. So this is nucleus. Inside the nucleus, the chromosome. Okay, ma. Next one, centrosome. Centrosome split into centrioles. So this is centrosome. This is the white color. So the chromatid joint in the centrosome. Okay, so centromere. Okay, the centrosome split into centrioles and occupy opposite poles of the cell, and occupy the opposite poles of the cells. Okay, each centriole is surrounded by aster rays. Here centrioles opposite sides, you see that this one and this one. Okay, so this centriole is surrounded by aster rays. What rays, ma? Aster rays. This spindle fibers appear between the two centrioles. Centrioles இடையே தான் என்ன இருக்கும்? The aster. Okay, the spindle fibers appear between the two centrioles. The spindle fiber ஆனது ரெண்டு centrioles இடையில என்ன செய்யும்? Appear ஆகும். Then that nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear. The nuclear membrane and nucleolus, everything is disappear gradually. அப்படி போக போக அந்த nuclear membrane nucleolusலாம் என்ன செஞ்சிரும்? அப்படியே disappear ஆயிரும். Okay, we can't see this in this stage. Okay, so next we see that metaphase. Next we see the metaphase. First one, pro means first, meta means after. Okay, so the duplicated chromosomes arranged on the equatorial plane. Duplicated chromosome arranged on the equatorial plane and form the metaphase plate. Okay, this only form the metaphase plate. So each chromosome gets attached to that spindle fiber. Here each chromosome attached to the spindle fibers. This is spindle fibers. You know this? Yes, this is spindle fibers. Okay, ma. The spindle fibers, each chromosome attached in the spindle fibers by its centromere. எதில்? அதனுடைய centromereல. Okay, do you understand that? This is the white, this is centromere. Okay, yes, the centromere of each chromosome divide into two. The centromere of each chromosome divide into two, then with a chromatid and with a chromatids. So here centromere, this is chromatid. So totally chromosome. Totally, how to call? So this is centromere, this is chromatid. Okay, ma. So totally this is called chromosome. Okay, do you understand that? Okay, ma. So the centrosome divide the centriole. This is centriole. Okay, yes. So in that this is the metaphase. This is the metaphase. Next we see the anaphase. Next we see what, ma? Anaphase. In this anaphase, so ana means up and back. Up and back. So the centromeres attaching the two chromatids. Now you see that here four chromatids in that centromere, in that metaphase, but here in that anaphase only two chromatids is present. You know that? Yes. So these two chromatids of each chromosome. So first the centromere attaching the two chromatids divide and the two daughter chromatids. Okay, divided into two daughter chromatids of each chromosome. ஒவ்வொரு குரோமோசோமில் இருந்து அதனுடைய ஸ்ப்ளிட் ஆகி டூ குரோமேட்டிட்ஸ் வச்சு அதனுடைய டாட்டர் குரோமேட்டிட்ஸ் என்ன செய்யுது? டிவைட் பண்ணுது. ஓகே அம்மா. ஸோ தட் குரோமோசோம் செப்பரேட் அண்ட் மைக்ரேட் டுவோர்ட்ஸ் டு ஆப்போசிட்ஸ் போல்ஸ். ரெண்டுமே அப்படியே இங்கே ஈக்குவட்டோரியல்லேருந்து ஆஃப்டர் தட் இன் தட் அனாஃபேஸ் இட் இஸ் இன் தட் ஆப்போசிட் போல். ஓகே அம்மா, டு யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தட்? Okay, so this is the anaphase. This is the anaphase. So in this metaphase, it is in equatorial plate. In that anaphase, it is lies in that opposite pole of the nucleus. Okay, yes. Next one, telophase. Tel means end. Telophase, it is the end of this phase. Okay, in the end of this mitosis, it is a telophase. Okay, do you understand that? Yes. So each chromatid or daughter chromosome lengthen and becomes thinner. After that எப்படி ஆகுதான், length ஆகி after that thinner, then turned into a network of a chromatin threads. Network of a chromatin threads. The spindle fibers, here spindle fibers are there. So in this stage, telophase, the spindle fibers break down and disappear. That nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear in each daughter nucleus. Okay, so here daughter nucleus, so parent nucleus in that mitosis divided into, already I tell in that starting in that first. So mitosis discovered by Fleming in 1879. So in this cell division, that parent cell divided into two identical daughter cells. Do you remember that now? Yes. So in this daughter cells at the time, here in anaphase there is no nuclear membrane, but you see here telophase, the nuclear membrane reappear. Okay ma, nuclear membrane is reappear, திரும்ப வந்து வருது. Okay, in each daughter nucleus, both this also daughter nucleus, this also daughter nucleus, two daughter nucleus. Okay, next